Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here, and welcome to day 6. We are rolling along here. So today we're going to get into some cool stuff and talk about your website builders. Different website builder options that are out there. I'm going to show you 2 of them here. There are some alternatives out there. We'll talk about that. But really what your website builder is something that allows you to construct websites in order to string them together and construct a sales funnel. So a sales funnel could have 2 web pages, could have 5 web pages, could have 10 web pages. It just kind of depends on the sales funnel. But for even just simple sales funnels, you can get away with just 2 pages here. So website builders let you build websites quickly and easy using pre-made templates. Okay, so as far as the pricing and features of different ones, the 2 top ones that I recommend, I'll have links underneath this video so that you can check them both out. But Leadpages and ClickFunnels are my two choices there. Now, when I first started out, I started with Leadpages. I've since moved on to ClickFunnels, but either one will serve your purpose for the point of this bootcamp, them or if you find some type of alternative. But what they need to do is allow you to make web pages fast and easily, and that's the point of using templates, is because half the work is already done. You're just really just going in, filling out some text, and maybe changing out, a picture and maybe some colors and whatnot. Now, both of these have 14-day free trials. Like I say, I'll have links underneath this video so you can go and check things out. As far as alternatives, I've heard of InstaBuilder is some type of website builder. I've never actually used it. If you Google like Leadpages or ClickFunnels alternatives, that'll give you, if you want to check that kind of thing out, that should give you some options there. But those are my top 2 choices. Used them tons. They work great. Both work great. Either one will serve your purpose here. So go ahead and check out underneath the video here. Check out the links to it. Go check out the products, and they'll have some demonstration videos, and you can kind of see these things in action. Now, we're going to be jumping in and using these things farther ahead in the Sales Funnel Bootcamp. So you don't have to commit and start your 14-day trial right now if you don't want to. You can kind of save that for later on in the course, or you can, if you're a keener and you want to check it out and start playing around with these things, you can go in and get started right now and start learning about how these tools work. So that's it. Check out the links underneath this video, and I will see you in the next video.